Are you giving a strong first impression to people that you're meeting for the first time? My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. I do issue a monthly newsletter, and in my last newsletter, I gave 5 tips to convey a strong first impression. In this video, I want to give 3 additional tips that can help you when you meet people for the first time. The first one is about the quality of your written communication, because even before people meet you, they're gonna make up their mind about you based on your documents, based on your website, based on the email exchange. So think about how can you sharpen your written communication. A second element is your nonverbal message. If you want to convey a positive image nonverbally, then you want to have an open posture, keeping a good level of eye contact, a smile, maybe slightly leaning forward, and you want to consider mirroring the gesture and posture of the person you're dealing with. A third idea is around the use of your voice. To convey a positive image with your voice, then you want to have a medium pitch, which means not too high, not too low, and then you want to have a good variation of your voice. In addition, you may want to match the speed and loudness of the person you're dealing with. To summarize, to build a strong first impression, consider your written communication, your nonverbal, and your voice. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website, www.cabl.ch. Thank you.